Come to monkeyhappy.com stage 935. This is golden opportunity. This is another patron stage. That guy wants orb and a holder for it. This guy wants some socks and undies. Pick up all these objects here, and you can go outside here. Look at the clue 3 4 2 1. 3 4 2 1. Get those things out, and then we've got another clue with the arrows starting in the middle, down, up, and to the right. So if you look here, it's that one, that one, that one, and that one. Combine these two things and put it there. Then these gems, no, they don't get combined. We go and place them here. Get the orb and combine. No, we don't have the objects yet. We've got another puzzle to solve here with these lights, and as you can see, this is the ones we're looking at here. So it's top right, bottom left times 2, top right, bottom left times 2, and then I think it's top right and top left. Combine these two and stick that in there. And to do this, we pick up the other clue sheet, and the little diamond is 5 2 3 1 2 4. 5 2 3 1 2 4, 1 2 and 4. These two come together and get placed here. Then we've got these two to combine, and they get placed here. And then it's 2 3 4 4 4 2, 2 3 4 4 4 2. These two come together, and also we see some clues around there. We'll do this later, but we'll just do this one. It's 1 1 1 3 5 3. 1 3 5. Oh yeah, 5 3. I think like this. Push that to open. Then we've got no. We have to do this puzzle, the mushroom, then this shape here. Look at all these ornaments, and this is where it goes. It's this one, that one, like this, I believe. That opens up that, and we can combine these two circle or key parts. Then we can combine the orb, give that to him, combine these two bits and stick that in there, and we can do the puzzle 3 4 2 2 1 5, 3 4 2 2 1 5. And this key opens up this ornament goes in here. Pick up both of those things. This goes in the box outside, and the code is not on there, it's actually on the ceiling. 4 5 5 5 3 1, 4 5 5 5 3 1. Then these two go together. Those two and those two go inside. Open up this. That key opens up the top. The undies and the underwear come together, and we've also got this key that gives us the cane, and we give that to this guy, and behind him there's a cube. The underwear go to this guy, and the socks. The scissors cut the hole and go to that guy. And we've got the scissors to cut all these tentacles. Okay, once we've got all those, combine them, put them, give them to this dude, and this goes in there. And there you go, guys. That's how you complete monkeyhappy.com stage 935. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for playing, and I hope to see you next time.